Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Today we are with Crazy Mustafa and we will introduce you our decoration machine. Bulunmaz decoration machine is made of two heads. One is vertical and one is horizontal. Here you see the holder. You can easily change it to rings, bangles, pendants, flat items, even chains. Just changing the holder part and you can hold almost all kind of jewelry on our Bulunmaz decoration machine. You can work easily with rings, bangles, pendants, chains, any flat items with Bulunmaz decoration machine, but Crazy Mustafa will work on a ring today. Crazy Mustafa is ready for the operation. Everything is set on the machine, so we will use horizontal propeller and make our model. Crazy Mustafa is really fast, so in a few seconds, less than a minute, he finished our beautiful ring. I wanna show you this ring just before having on a late cut on it. We made 3 levels of cuts on our ring, left side, right side, and in the middle we made a cross cut. So just now Crazy Mustafa is going to apply lathe machine on it and you can see our ring as it's finished. We jump to our lathe machine. Let's see how the result will be. Tarafına pay yapmamışsın.
Nasıl?
We just completed our rings with 2 lines in the middle of diamond cuts. So you can easily see on this ring a combination of our Bulunmaz jewelry lathe machine and Bulunmaz decoration machine. Why you have to choose Bulunmaz products? Because they are the best products. Bulunmaz lathe, Bulunmaz beads faceting machine, Bulunmaz decoration machine, Bulunmaz bangle formers, Bulunmaz CNC machine, Bulunmaz diamond tools. Every Bulunmaz products are best in jewelry, so that's why Bulunmaz is the equipment, machines, tools of the coolest jewelers like Crazy Mustafa. I hope you are enjoying our products, you are enjoying Bulunmaz decoration machine with Crazy Mustafa. We will be shooting more videos about our decoration machines, so don't forget to be sure that you are subscribed on our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching. See you again in the next videos. See you!